Heppenheim city area is located below the Schlossberg with the medieval Starkenburg. The place is also known nationally as the birthplace of four-time Formula One world champion Sebastian Vettel. Whether you stroll through the lanes of the old town with their medieval feeling or visit the historic market square, Heppenheim will enchant you. The place has a largely preserved, self-contained, picturesque old town center. The old town is characterized by half-timbered buildings, which were mainly built in the course of reconstruction after the destruction of Heppenheim in 1693. While wandering along the winding and cobblestone streets, I have noticed the unique design of street lamps. It depicts the creativity of the people of Heppenheim and may be various interesting, if not strange, stories to tell. The old town of Heppenheim is incredibly pretty. All through the tiny lanes of Heppenheim are colorful homes so immaculately kept. As I stepped into Heppenheim's Marktplatz, it felt like I had gate-crashed a movie set. It was beautiful. It stands out with its unique features, such as the charming central Marienbrunnen. The place becomes a popular spot for locals to gather and chat. You will see plenty of tables and chairs waiting to be occupied. The ambience is totally pleasant and romantic, surrounded by picturesque half-timbered buildings. The timbered framed houses were built after the city fire in 1693. The town hall, built in 1551, received its Baroque framework in 1705-06. In the middle of the marketplace, a beautiful market fountain can be seen. It was built at the end of the 17th century. A very special highlight is the statue of Virgin Mary, which is made of sandstone. As I continue my leisurely stroll through Heppenheim, I find myself at the town's highest point. With great honor, St. Peter Church stands there, offering a breathtaking view of the surrounding area. It was built from 1900 to 1904. The Catholic parish church of St. Peter is often called Dom der Bergstraße, popularly because of its size, but was never the bishop's seat. Inside the church, you will be able to have the opportunity to look at some of the amazing work and wonder, such as the passionately designed stained glass windows and the wood carvings that dates back centuries old. The church is now a listed building as a cultural monument. It is a unique and impressive structure that adds to the charm of Heppenheim. During your visit, you should not miss the opportunity to take a walk to Starkenburg Castle, which is enthroned above Heppenheim on the Schlossberg. The castle was built in 1065 to protect the Lorsch Monastery. In the eventful history of the monastery, the castle always offered refuge and protection for the monks. In 1765, the castle was abandoned and fell into despair. Today, the ruin is under monument protection and is managed by the Hessischer Immobilien Management. The towers of the castle are still evident today. One stands in the lower castle courtyard and borders the southwest corner of the upper kennel. Another at the entrance, which leads to a narrow spiral staircase. Upon reaching the top of the tower, you will have a good view of the surroundings. The castle permits a splendid panoramic view across the town, the Odenwald and the Rhine Valley. You will get to witness the rows of well-cared-for and very tidy vineyards standing side by side across the hillside terraces, which are always pleasant to see. Both the hike on the panoramic paths to the castle and the castle tour are worthwhile. The entire Heppenheim district is part of the Geo Nature Park Bergstraße Odenwald. Numerous individual trees and rock formations are designed as natural monuments. I hope that this video will help you appreciate Heppenheim even more.
And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, choose!